Breaking news: Sultan of Shuwa Arab, an opportunity to promote unity in Edo. Hello, my wonderful people. You'll be shocked. You've been hearing all that has been going on, and the news continue to come on. Now, so the truth is beginning to come out. We told you about the conspiracy to bring about another king into Edo State, the ancient Benin Kingdom. We're talking about even in the 18th century, during the time of slave trade and the rest, that Benin Kingdom was already in existence. I mean, those were the times when they came, and we're talking about the artifacts of today. These are some of the things that we are taking from the old Benin Empire. And guess what? Some northerners are saying, why did the Obaseki kicking against it? Why is he going ahead to carry out investigation? The reason why they wanted to install a sultan in Edo State is to promote unity. Edo tell you say that they find that they get problem with disunity. Anyway, my people, now the matter where they reach us, man, not take see, don't let them deceive you. Before you turn around, they go blind your eye, you then you become blind. Now they'll come they see, they direct you, you can't become puppets. You know what puppet be? That's when they play for your own land, oh. Open your eyes, shine am, oh. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if this is your first time. Let's get all the details. Sultan of Shiwa Arab, an opportunity to promote unity in Edo. An alleged coronation of Sultan in Edo is an opportunity for the state government to promote peace and unity across members of diverse ethnic, religious, and political affiliation. The executive governor of the state, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, has put a hold on the coronation, citing tension that may be generated from members of the community. The state government acted in the best interest of the people to avoid possible breakdown of law and order. However, the term Sultan means emperor, or traditional ruler in a particular society. It is very common in the northern region of the country. Edo State is in the southern part of Nigeria, which may be the reason why the issue of coronation of a sultan became controversial. The coronation may have been what would have led to more development of peace, unity, progress, tolerance among people of the state of different background, apart from the rampant case of illegal migrants to Libya. There is less communal tension and clashes among the Edo people. So where exactly is the North getting this from? Some northern groups has replied Edo State Governor that the embargo he has put on the coronation is unwarranted. The Shiwa of Arab the Sultan Siwa of Arab was just to promote peace. It was something we were trying to do to ensure that there is peace in Edo State, to ensure that we bring about unity. We are trying to promote unity in Nigeria. It's just a traditional title for a traditional king, which will help the other king that is already on ground. So the work will not be cumbersome. This is all we need. Well, this is all we needed, and tolerance must be exercised among Nigerians. After all, we are one Nigeria. The Nigerian government has already emphasized the need to promote diversity for the progress of the nation. The National Orientation Agency is a federal government agency responsible for sensitizing general public, promoting enlightenment program that will foster peace and development. The Edo State people needs to embrace this diversity, invest in the differences, and remain committed to rebuilding peace in the community. We will wait patiently for the governor's time of promoting peace in the state to die down. Then we will come back again. Nigeria is a society that has that have lots of tribes, over hundreds of tribe and cultural belief. The installation of the Sultan of Edo will include hospitality, tolerance for the Edo people. They have similar tradition, which they just have to be open to and embrace. We are starting with Edo State, and by the time it is established, we move to other states to bring about promotion and unity. My dear, the truth don't they come out. You dey hear am with your own ear. You dey hear am with your own ear. I mean, it's a way they greet people in Edo State. I'm just being I'm trying to really, get the attention of my people from Edo State, my amiable listeners from Edo State, that there is really something going on. I mean, these are a group of people who are saying that the Edo people needs to be more open-minded, embracing, and understand that it's not just about them. That what is happening is promotion of unity. The Nigerian government wants to promote unity. Nigerian government wants to ensure that everybody works together as one. Edo people should be more tolerant. Blah 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 blah. Listen, my dear, don't be deceived. Don't let anybody deceive you. There is more to this than beneath the eyes. Don't let anybody deceive you. Have you heard of what we call a systematic approach? They will come subtly. And by the time you say Jack Robinson, it's called game over. You heard it, they told it, they said it loud and clear. That is another traditional ruler. So the Oba of Benin not rich, oh, they won't put another traditional ruler. My people, where they say make they open your eye, be say make sure that you go feel use and taste you. If you not open your eye, waiting go happen. By the time you open your eye, it don't happen pass. Now waiting they happen be this so. They tell Edo people say make they dey more accepting. After all, the federal government they promote unity. Then they come bring matter come say Libya, say that to prevent. So they want they won't bring come. Listen, my people, should I tell you? Bottom line is a systematic way of introducing Sharia into Edo State. You heard me. You heard me. They said they want to bring about they want to bring the diverse cultures together, and they want to help to promote unity and to prevent not only Edo people now they go Libya. Only Edo people. Abi, I'm just trying to make emphasize. Now I think only Edo people they go Libya for the full Nigeria. Say well, they want to prevent people from going to Libya, so they want to encourage diversity and help to promote the environment. Before you go know, they go contact you say they don't bring Sharia come for inside one area for Edo State. By the time you say, no, 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 before you go know, water don't pass Gary. So my people, now waiting they happen, no. Edo State, is this what you want? Because at the end of the day, you heard them, is a systematic plan. They say by the time they are done with Edo State, they've established this and they are quite happy with what they've seen. Then they will move further, and they make reference to Edo State governor, saying Governor Obaseki has taken it too far, Obaseki, but they will wait patiently for the tense atmosphere to calm down. My people, they call we say they call vigilance. Means say you do observant. Leave us a comment. We would like to hear from you. Not forget to give us a thumbs up, or like us, share, subscribe. God bless you. Have a lovely day. Bye for now. Bye.